Hey, what's up guys, Jack here. I'm just going to show you an update on Winter Storm Stella. And yeah, I want to show you this. This is how much we have. This is our walkway. We snowblowed this earlier. Sorry if it's hard to see. It's the lighting. But we have about 3 feet in some areas. Not sure if you can see that. That's a lot. And let's go check on the roads. See if the garbage truck came. No, garbage truck never came. This is the road. It's doing actually pretty good. We have had 2 snow days in a row, and the storm is supposed to stop at 8 p.m. tonight. Our mailbox is almost completely covered. We have so much snow. It's insane, like 3 feet. Look at this.